Hey everybody, Jacob Vanderford here at Ronnie Watkins Ford. Just wanted to take a minute today and tell you a little bit about what's going on here at the dealership when it comes to these unprecedented times that we're dealing with. Wanted to let you know first and foremost that we are open for business. We're open whether it's a sales need, a service need, quick lane, maybe you need some maintenance on your vehicle, and even our parts department. We're taking every precaution we can to sanitize our facility, to sanitize the vehicles before they're test driven, or even when they come in service. Our rental vehicles, we're sanitizing those as well. And so, we're doing everything we can from a standpoint of keeping everything clean every day and making it as safe for you, the customer, and for our employees. A couple other things I wanted to mention. You do have access to our website, RonnieWatkinsFord.com. If you're in the need for a vehicle near pre-owned, you can go to the website, you can pick a vehicle, and we can basically work the entire deal over the internet and maybe a couple of phone calls if you don't feel comfortable coming into the dealership, and we can deliver the vehicle to you. So that is an option for you. If you're in need for service, if you live within 30 minutes of the dealership, we will even offer to come pick your vehicle up and deliver it back to you after the service is complete. So a couple of options for you if you don't feel comfortable getting out. We just want to be here. We understand that we provide a service to you, the customer, and to our community. And while we're concerned, we want to do everything we can to help you through these times. And so we appreciate your business, and if you need anything, please just give us a call. Thank you.